Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most effective ways to boost your design workflow, customizing your keyboard shortcuts in Inkscape. If you find yourself constantly clicking through menus for tools you use every single day, this video is for you. We will walk through how to reassign keys, handle common conflicts, and even import external layouts to make Inkscape feel like home. If this tutorial helps you speed up your design process, please hit that like button and subscribe for more professional content. Let us get started. First off, you need to open the Preferences dialog. You can do this by navigating to Edit and selecting Preferences, or simply press the Ctrl+Shift-P keyboard shortcut. Once that window pops up, look at the left-hand sidebar. You want to click on Interface, then select the keyboard category. From there, make sure you are viewing the Shortcuts tab located at the top of the interface. This is your command center for everything related to keybinds. You'll see a search box in the top right corner. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you need. Type in the name of a command, like Union or Set Clip, and Inkscape will filter the list instantly. Alternatively, you can browse through the categorized folders, like File, Edit, or Path, if you want to explore the defaults. To change a keybind, find the command in the list and click directly on its row in the shortcut column. You'll notice the text change to New Accelerator. Now, just press the key combination you have chosen, such as Ctrl+M. Inkscape is smart enough to flag conflicts right away. If the shortcut you chose is already taken, you'll see a warning at the bottom of the window letting you know. You can either proceed to reassign it or choose a different combination that doesn't interfere with other tools. One of the best things about Inkscape is that changes are applied automatically. Once you have entered a shortcut, it is active, so you can close the window and try it out on your canvas immediately. If you make a mistake or want to go back to the original settings, just click the Clear button next to that specific command. Need a total fresh start? Click the Reset to Defaults button at the bottom of the window. For those of you coming from other software like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW, check the Keyboard Config dropdown. You can often import ready-made layout themes that mirror your favorite professional tools. Just remember that some system-level shortcuts, specifically things like Alt+Tab, cannot be overridden because your operating system catches those signals first. Your customized settings are saved in a default.xml file within your Inkscape user profile folder, so your workspace remains consistent every time you launch the program. If this guide helped you become a faster designer, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Inkscape tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.